Hey, what is happening, guys? It's your boy TechTrex back with another video, and today we are looking at the 11.4 Beta 1. This beta was announced on the March 27 event for education, and it showed that they are gonna release 11.4. So now we have it. And here we go, guys. We just updated on 11.4. You see there? The first thing you see here is the feedback app coming back. First update that they brought back the iCloud iMessage. They took it out in 11.3 public release. That means it's not ready for the public to have that, and they're still trying to tweak and take out bug fixes and all that stuff. So we have it back here now on 11.4. Glad to have that back. The next feature that Apple brought back is the stereo pairing for the HomePod. They took it out in a public release of 11.3 as well, and now we have it back in 11.4. They're trying their best to implement this right away, bring it out to the public, but right now it's not ready. So we have it back on 11.4. Well, here's just a quick update for the 11.4, and there's so many things that Apple didn't want to release yet because it's not ready for the public yet. But if you want to sign up for a public beta tester, I'll link that on the description below. Well, that's it for today, guys. I'll be making another video as I find more stuff in 11.4. Stay tuned for more stuff that Apple adds as we have more beta come out for 11.4. If you want this wallpaper, I'll link it below. It's from iDevice Help. Thanks for that. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, and see you at the comments below. Peace!